Good morning, students. Welcome back in your revision number 2. Today, in our second revision, see that we'll study the chapter number 2, Riddle Time. As I had told you, we have already completed this. So, let's take a quick revision. Okay? Riddle Time. Riddle in Hindi we say it Paheli. Okay? It is in your reader book. पहेली हिंदी में पहेलियाँ आप लोग ऐसे खेलते हो जिसका अलग अलग मीनिंग होता है. We just ask the question in different way. In riddle what we do? हम लोग किसी भी क्वेश्चंस को घुमा के पूछते हैं अलग अलग तरीके से. Okay, but answer would be same. That is called riddle. We do not ask direct answer. Okay, we do not just ask direct questions that what is this or which is that one. We ask the question while giving different examples. हम लोग तरह तरह के एग्जाम्पल्स दे के क्वेश्चन को पूछते हैं और उसका आंसर पता करना होता है. क्लू देते हैं हम लोग, हिंट देते हैं. ओके, फॉर गिविंग एन आंसर. क्वेश्चंस दिया रहता है, उसके बहुत सारे हिंट होते हैं, क्लूज. ओके, जस्ट इंडिकेशन फॉर आंसर. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. उसे ही इन इंग्लिश वी से इट रिडल, इन हिंदी वी से इट पहेली. यू ऑल आर अवेयर विद दैट वर्ड. द रिडल नंबर 1. It is your riddle number 1. And one more thing for your help, the pictures are given. See that one picture is given for your help. You have to find out the answer from that picture. Okay, and you have to write the answer. Question is given here. Question. Okay, some clues are given, hints, and for more help, the picture is given. Fine. The answer is hidden in this picture only. Let us start. Beautiful are her wings. There is a wing. See that. Beautiful are her wings. Something is there whose wings are beautiful. Colorful are her wings. Wings are beautiful. Wings, you know. Pank in Hindi we say it. Wings are beautiful. Wings are colorful, of different colors also. She sits on flowers. She sits on flowers. Who is it? Who is it? Just guess. Anyone who sits on flowers or whose wings are ब्यूटीफुल एंड कलरफुल. जो फ्लावर्स पे सिट करती है उसके विंग्स कलरफुल भी होते हैं और ब्यूटीफुल भी होते हैं. हु इज इट? आंसर यू हैव टू राइट हियर. जस्ट लेट अस सर्च फ्रॉम दिस पिक्चर. ब्यूटीफुल आर हर विंग्स, कलरफुल आर हर विंग्स. आर यू गेटिंग समवेयर? See that? The picture of which insect? I think it's a butterfly, no? Yes, it's a butterfly. See that? I have drawn one more butterfly for you. Beautiful are her wings. These are the wings of butterfly. इसे wings बोलते हैं. And colorful also. When you see the wings or butterfly are colorful, she sits on flowers. Where does she sit? She sits on flowers. So the answer would be here. You'll write the answer in your book. Butterfly. BUTTERFLY. Okay? Clear? In this way, riddle will ask the question. Okay, indirect way. Next, riddle number 2. That means Paheli number 2. It is like a stick. It is like a stick. Its colors are many. Its colors are many. It is in a box. Well, we carry the box in our school. We carry the box in our school. It is like a stick. Something are you watching like a stick in this picture? Are you watching? Are you watching anything stick like? Something in your picture? There one boy is standing who is holding stick like structure. What is this? With this, the boy is drawing this butterfly. Obviously, it would be color pencil. Its colors are many and it is in a box. You keep it in your pencil box. Okay, children? And we carry the box in our school bag. We carry pencil box in our school bag. Color pencil box. Suppose that we have one color pencil box. See that. And in that color pencil box, what do we carry? It's a color pencil box. Different colors pencils. Different colors pencils are you watching? So, it is like a stick and its colors are many. Aren't you watching different colors are here? We carry the box in our school bag. So, we got the answer from there. We will write the answer like this. We will write here the answer. It is a color pencil. Color pencils. Okay. It is a color pencils. Again, the next one. This riddle is also clear. One answer of first riddle is butterfly. The answer of second riddle is color pencils. Come to the third one. And answers I am getting from here only. Okay, children. First the answer butterfly. Next the color pencils. The third one answer. It has 4 legs. It has 4 legs but cannot walk. Which kind of leg is it? Can you imagine the person who is having or that 4 legs and who cannot walk? What happened with the leg? We sit on it. Oh my God, we sit on it also. हम लोग उस पे बैठते भी हैं. What is it? It has 4 legs. Let us search in the picture. It has 4 legs. The girl is having 2 legs. The boy is having 2 legs. But something is there which has 4 legs. Chair. Are you watching? Chair. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 2 are hidden here. It has 4 legs but cannot walk. We sit on it. What is it? So it is a chair. Okay, children. It has a face. It has a face. The boy is also having face. The girl is also having face. It has 2 hands. It has 2 hands. See that 2 hands we are watching. But the next clue. It has no eyes or legs. Hands are given. Now boy is also cancelled. Girl is also cancelled. Something is there which has a face. It has 2 hands. It has no eyes, legs. Hands are there but no legs and no eyes also. What is it? Have you seen ever such kind of creature? Search. One thing is left only. What? It has a face. See that? It has a face. It has two hands. Black color, are you watching? Mainly two hands, short hand and long hands. We call in mathematics short hand, long hands. Okay, it has two hands, no eyes, no legs. So, this kind of picture are you watching here? Clock. What is it? Clock. We got the answer of riddle. Again one more clap for you children. Clock. Finish the answer? Now we have completed a short chapter, small chapter, chapter number 2. It is a chapter for revision. So it's only from reader book. So can we have some questions from what, practice book also? There are many riddles are given. Do you want to make more? और बनाने का मन है आपको riddle? Let us have in your practice book. Okay? So close your riddle, just English reader book, and open your this one. We will open chapter number 2. Riddle time. It is in your English practice book. Where is it in? It is an English practice book. Okay. Let's have again one more revision. Here you have to fill it in your English practice book. I hope you all have got your books. So you start filling in the book, page number 4 and 5. Today we'll do the revision of page number 4 and 5. You already have done this work in your notebook. I have remembered that my children have done already this work, but you have to fill this work in your book also. Let me explain. Worksheet number 1. Okay, chapter number 2, worksheet number 1. In lesson 2, riddle time, you must have enjoyed finding answer to the riddles. In chapter number 2, we have completed riddle time. Let's have some more fun. Obviously, we all are ready to have more fun. और मस्ती करने का मन है. Find a word from the box for each clue. Okay, here help box are given. Again, questions are here. Let's have. There are 10 of these on my hands. What are there? Clock. There are 10 of these on my hands. Do you have clock? No. Trees? No. Bread, teeth, parents, fingers, book, nose. So what do we have? 10 in our hands. Fingers. You will tick here and you will fill here. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Okay. It tells the time. What it tells? Clock. We have studied this in our chapter number 2 reader book. Clock. You will fill here. I eat it with butter or jam. In your morning breakfast, what do you eat with butter or jam? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of this 8, 1 clear, 2 clear. What are left? Bread, book, nose, tree, or parents. Bread. You will fill here. Bread. Okay. Next question. I eat it with. That is clear. It has leaves. What has leaves? Everyone know that trees have leaves. Tree has leaves. I smell with it. With what do you smell? I smell with it. We smell with. Tree is clear, bread is clear. Parents book nose. Nose, in your EVS you study sense organ. So, nose. Well, my father and mother. My father and mother. What they are called? Father and mother both, they are called together as parents. We call them as parents. Okay? Parents also take. They are in my mouth. What? Many things are in mouth. But what is given in the help box? Teeth, book. What do you guess? Book? No, it's a teeth. It would be teeth. I read it. I read it book. I am reading book. Clear, children? Let's have more. One page is clear. Page number 4. Page number 4. You have to complete as CW now. Okay? That will be very easy to complete. So, come to the worksheet number 2. See that. What is there in worksheet number 2? What you have to do? Look carefully at the given picture. Look carefully at the given pictures. Pictures are given here. See that? Picture of giraffe. Picture of any bird. Isn't it? And picture of monkey. On next page also. On your next page also the picture of. See that. Elephant. Picture of tiger. That side picture of lion and snail. The pictures are given. So what you have to do? You have to see the pictures of page number 5 and 6 and then you have to give the answer. Okay, children? You have to read these questions. You have to read this question in the help box. See what is given in the help box. So from help box, you read one question, see the picture and write the answer in front of that picture. You have to write answer in front of that picture. Okay, the spaces are given. You have to write answer here. Like question number 1. I have a shell on my back. I have a shell on my back. It is snail. See that. It is snail. On next page. Shell. Outer covering shell. It is on his back. So, in front of this picture, you will write this line. इस लाइन को उस पिक्चर के सामने आप लोग लिखिएगा. I am the king of the jungle. Everyone know lion. The picture of lion is also given. So in front of lion you will write answer I am the king of the jungle. Lion के सामने आप लोग को क्या लिखना है? Arrow is given. So I am the king of the jungle. Next. I have a long trunk. Long trunk. Who has? Elephant. The picture is given at the back. I have a long neck. Long neck. Only giraffe is having long neck. In front of giraffe, you will write here answer. I have a long neck. I like swing from the branches. Monkey. See the picture of monkey? Monkey likes to swing from one branch to another branch. Okay. You will not write monkey here answer. As monkey you guess, so you have to write this answer here. That line. Choose a sentence and you have to write there. You have to write sentence. आपको ये complete sentence सामने लिख देना है picture के. I fly high up in the sky. Do you fly high up in the sky? Who fly? Birds fly. So that line would be here. Okay, in front of bird, bird के सामने जो space है उसमें आपको lines लिख देनी है. I fly high up in the sky. I run very fast. Who runs very fast? In that side the pictures are given. Okay, this is your homework. You just on that page, here you will put classwork, today's date as a revision work. You will just put here 11th 05/2020, 11th May 2005 at the corner, and here you will write HW. Worksheet number 2. Worksheet number 1 is classwork. Worksheet number 2 is homework. Okay. Homework 11th May 2020. That is your homework. Complete it in the book. Okay. And then submit it to me. That's all for today, children.